So Trading 212 have made some big updates to their Trading 212 investment platform, and in this video I'm going to go through the main features. So let's go straight into the video, and the first thing that you will notice when looking at this screen is that it was different just the other day. Trading 212 have done a pretty much revamp of the screen, and there are a few new graphics that we can see. The most striking at first is that now you have the name of the Trading 212 account on the top of the screen. For example, Trading 212 Invest. Now if I click this button over here, you can now easily select between the different accounts, and it's also very clear to see which account you are on any screenshot online. Whenever I'm showing you my portfolio, it's easy to see, and hopefully for that one person who thinks I'm on a demo account, this will become extra clear. Another thing that they've done is to revamp their logo. So as you can see, Trading 212 Invest, Trading 212 CFD, Trading 212 Stocks ISA, and Trading 212 Cash ISA. When you do hover over each one, you can see the account value. Previously, you could check your account value by pressing this button over here. Instead of that, you have your portfolio value over here, and then you have the amount of cash that you have in each different currency. For example, I only hold cash in Great British Pounds. You can also hold cash in other currencies, for example, US dollar, euro, and the list goes on. Now, if you would like to sign up to Trading 212 and receive a free fractional share worth up to £100, all you have to do is to follow the link in the description down below. Alternatively, if you've signed up to Trading 212 in the past 10 days and haven't received a free share, all you have to do is click the 3 horizontal line menu over here, scroll all the way down until you see the use promo code section, and in this section just enter the code JUBAIR and you should receive a free fractional share. So the main talking point of this update has to be, hands down, the new rate of return graph, which has always mind-boggled users on the Trading 212 platform, because previously, like you can see on this screenshot, it only showed the return of your open positions. So it was really easy for influencers and scammers, two different things here sometimes, to manipulate their returns and make it seem like they were a master stock picker. So I really wanted to use this video to explain these new terms. So if I click over here, now value means the overall of everything in your account, including investments and cash. So I believe I have been mistaken. Now the value does take into consideration everything, which I'm really happy to see. So that's the complete value of my Trading 212 Invest account, including cash and everything I have. So if I were to sell out everything in this instant, which of course I can't because the UK market is closed, that is exactly what I would have. So I'm really happy that they have put the value together. Now, total return is the total profit or loss from your activity, including investment performance, dividends that you have received, interest on uninvested cash, any foreign exchange fees taken out, government taxes such as stamp duty and stuff like that taken out, and that is your total return. The rate of return is the percentage of growth or loss in your portfolio adjusted for the impact of money you've added or withdrawn. So basically a money weighted rate of return. Companies like Free Trade have been doing this for a while. I'm not sure why it's taken so long for Trading 212 to follow suit, but I'm really glad that they have. It says here, for example, if you have invested when the markets were high, then your return may look different than if you invested during a dip. So the money weighted rate of return basically gives you a more personalized look at how your money has performed based on your decisions, not just the market ups and downs. So like I said, the rate of return uses money weighted rate of return calculations instead of the previous one. Now there is also a new feature that you can add called a net deposit. So we're just going to add that right now. So if you click the settings menu over here and then toggle net deposits, now you can see all of your net contributions, for example, what you've put in and what you've taken out. So as you can see in my Trading 212 Invest account, my net deposits have been £15,057 and the rest is my total rate of return. So since opening this account in September of 2022, my rate of return has been 72.2%, which is of course really, really good, but I'm going to show you how even that number can be manipulated a little bit. So for example, I have received a few free shares from Trading 212, and that is of the value of £1,178. For full transparency, this is added as a contribution, and that would have increased my rate of return, but even if you minus it away from my total rate of return, it's still over 50%, which I'm really happy about in just 2 years and a couple of months on top of that. So this feature can also be seen in the Trading 212 Stocks ISA, so I'm just going to go over there, click Trading 212 Stocks ISA here. So as we can see, just like before, we can see our total portfolio value, which will include all of our investments in terms of their value plus any cash we have. You can see currently in my trading 2-on-2 stocks ISA, I have £2,607. Very clear to see here. They have also added the ISA allowance status bar for everyone to see. So I like that. It's very clear instead of having to go into the ISA menu. And now here in my stocks and shares ISA, there is no manipulating the data as you can't get free shares in your stocks and shares ISA. I'm also going to add the net deposits option here. So all you have to do is press the settings bar over here and then toggle show net deposits. So as you can see, my net deposits has been £99,628. Let me explain this. I've had this ISA since the beginning of the tax year of 2023. So less than 2 years now. I've deposited £20,000 each tax year. So that's £40,000. And the rest, which was about £59,628.32, I've transferred that from my InvestEngine portfolio. So anything that I've gained since that has been my total return in just my trading 2-on-2 stocks ISA. Bear in mind the £60,000-ish that I transferred from my InvestEngine account, that was a profit of £20,000. So it doesn't show my total profit or rate of return since I've ever started investing. If you ever switch brokers, you will lose that data, unfortunately. But in less than 2 years, my total rate of return has been 24.9%, which I'm really happy about. So make sure to check out some of my other videos and I'll see you in the next video.